Welcome to our video on the best vegetables for your balcony garden. Growing your own veggies is a great way to add fresh, healthy produce to your meals. And what better way to do it than on your balcony, where you can enjoy the sunshine and fresh air? Let's dive into the top vegetables that are perfect for growing in your balcony garden. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most popular balcony garden vegetables. They are easy to grow, require minimal maintenance, and produce high yields. Tomatoes come in various colors, shapes, and sizes, making them a fun and colorful addition to your garden. Lettuce. Lettuce is another great vegetable for a balcony garden. It is easy to grow, can grow in containers, and is perfect for adding to salads or sandwiches. Lettuce comes in a variety of types and colors, so you can mix and match to create a beautiful and tasty garden. Radishes. Radishes are fast-growing vegetables that can be ready to harvest in as little as 3 weeks. They are perfect for small spaces and can grow in containers or in the ground. Peppers. Peppers are another great balcony garden vegetable. They can be grown in containers or in the ground. Peppers are perfect for adding to stir-fries, salads, or even for stuffing. Green beans. Green beans are a great choice for a balcony garden because they can grow vertically. They are also easy to grow, produce high yields, and can be harvested throughout the summer. Carrots. Carrots are a great addition to any balcony garden. They are easy to grow and can be harvested in as little as 2 to 3 months. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of a fresh homegrown carrot. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are another great choice for a balcony garden. They can be grown in containers or on a trellis and produce high yields throughout the summer. Cucumbers are perfect for adding to salads, sandwiches, or for making pickles. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-packed leafy green that is perfect for a balcony garden. It can be grown in containers and is easy to care for. Spinach is perfect for adding to salads, smoothies, or sautéing as a side dish. Zucchini. Zucchini is a great vegetable for growing in a large container. It is easy to grow, produces high yields, and can be harvested throughout the summer. Zucchini is perfect for adding to stir-fries, grilling, or making zucchini bread. Kale. Kale is another nutrient-packed leafy green that is perfect for a balcony garden. It can be grown in containers or in the ground and is easy to care for. There you have it, our top picks for the best vegetables to grow in your balcony garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these veggies will provide fresh and healthy produce all season long. So get out there and start gardening. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening videos.